Hey guys, WeFire88 here, back with another Destruction. This is Destruction 88. Ironically, it's the same as my YouTube name. We're at that number now. But yeah, we have this awfully yellow freaking Hunter Augusta. I can't tell if this is nicotine stain that's on this thing or if it's just yellowed from the sun. Like, you take this thing off, it's still white underneath there. I think this is nicotine stain on this thing. But this thing's meeting its fate today. But yeah, you can see it's just looks awful. And it also has a bad capacitor. So yeah, meeting its fate today. It's seen a good life. But yeah, let's see what this thing will do. Alrighty guys, so as you see, that is as fast as it goes, and it does not really go that quick. But yeah, blade from the last fan, completely missed. Am I sure that's freaking high, yo? Wait, how is it on medium? Even slower, I bet. Low speed even exists? Oh yeah, it does, but it's slow. It's just very slow. There you go. Wait, let that thing catch up to speed, because it's trying. It's trying.
She's trying.
What? The music just randomly started playing. Okay. They probably know that we're shooting this on the iPhone, because this is the song for that commercial they used back in the day. That's how I really feel. How does that even happen? I hit the blade arm. The blade. Oh. Oh, did you see that little flash?
No.
I saw a little flash on the light. That means the light's on, probably. Now try it. Wait. It's okay. Take your time. Yeah. Damn it. I'm trying to get the thingy.
Wow.
There we go. Can't believe it still works.
Not for very long.
Well, I think we completely demolished that one, huh? Yeah, I don't understand why this thing is so yellow. Like, look at that. It's just gross. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed that. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.